YouTube channel. Today we are so excited to be at the RISE Cafe in the Lower East Side of Manhattan with Jarrett McGovern, the co-founder of RISE Brewing Co, which is a coffee company based in New York City. It is nitrogen cold brew coffee, and we are obsessed with this coffee. We have panic attacks when we are running out, when we go to grab that last can and we, oh my God, there's none, or whatever it may be.
Can I have the last one?
Yes, and so you can have these cans at your house. So we wanted to create a video of how to make a really super fun coffee drink for you to enjoy in the morning, so it gives you the right amount of energy without the crash, without the acidity that you need to go and conquer the world, because that's what we all need to do every day, right? So tell us, what are we going to make today?
So today we're going to make a black and tan, which combines our all-organic nitro cold brew black coffee and then one of our lattes. And in this one we're going to use our all-organic dairy-free oat milk latte.
Oh, fabulous. Okay, and you're going to teach us, so let's go.
Let's do it. So we're making the nitro black and tan right. It combines all-organic nitro cold brew black coffee, our original flavor, and it combines our dairy-free oat milk latte. Also with cold brew and nitro. First step is to open up black.
Love it. Love that.
And
Look
go
at the
ahead
smoke.
And, pour it in. Pour about.
You go about halfway, or
Yeah, about halfway. Depends on what your ratio you want. But
okay.
Oh, okay, he's doing the whole thing.
and then you can see the cascading of the nitro coffee. And what that basically is the nitrogen that we condition our coffee with, which makes our coffee taste creamy, naturally a little bit more sweet, and kind of like a Guinness beer. The nitrogen just going back up into the atmosphere and it's clinging on to all these different little coffee flavors and creating this creamy head. And so then we can open up the dairy-free latte.
Vegan. This drink is vegan, everyone.
100% vegan and all organic. And then pour it in on top. And there's absolutely zero sugar added to this entire drink.
Cheers!
There's no sugar in this?
No sugar in the black coffee. The black coffee is 0 calories, just coffee beans, water, and nitrogen. And then the oat milk latte is just oats, sunflower oil, sea salt. That's it. All the sweetness is from the actual oats.
Wow. That's great. That is so good. Cheers. Hey, cheers. Where can people get it?
So we sell all over now. I mean, you can buy it on Amazon, Whole Foods, Walmart, Safeway, Albertsons. We're about to launch in Kroger as well.
That's great. And every once in a while, I mean, not every once in a while, but since I'm not but it's so much fun. Yesterday I was in Greenwich with some clients, and I took time in between the two clients to grab a sandwich at O'Delley's.
Oh yeah, we're on tap.
And it was on tap. I was so excited.
We love being on tap at like
Yeah.
local restaurants.
It's so cool. I can't remember where we were.
Oh yeah, Minis.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Minis, we went there, and every time, we go above and beyond with the enthusiasm. And
They're like,
wow,
wow.
they got RISE!
And everybody's like, wow, because we were sitting at the bar because it was so crowded.
I know.
Yeah.
But whenever we have an office, we will most certainly have RISE on tap.
Awesome.
Coming soon.
We launched on tap in a restaurant in Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Colony. And at first, that's kind of what we thought our plan would be. Just to brew testing nitro cold brew and then launching all of our favorite restaurants and bars. And we were driven by this passion to share our product with as many people as possible. We opened up a little shop in the Lower East Side, not too far away from here. And then one of the things that drove us to canning our coffee was so that we could share it with more people.
Yeah.
Right.
All over the country.
Yeah.
So yeah, we love being on tap at restaurants. It's amazing.
And make sure to listen to our podcast with Jarrett so you can get the whole story from birth until now. Birth of himself and the coffee brand.
He's like, wow, it's going to be a long podcast. Thanks so much for joining us today on The Style That Binds Us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss anything what's coming next.
And let us know what you think about this video. If you make this recipe, make sure to take a picture, tag at RISE Brewing Co. and at The Style That Binds Us, and we will share on our stories. We love hearing from you. Bye!